Dr. Rasya Dixit, a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 15 years. Platelet-rich plasma, or vampire facial as it is known, is one of the most catchy treatments which is happening around the world today. This treatment can help to reduce the fine lines, can help reduce pigmentation, and definitely can help to rejuvenate your skin. It's also used to treat acne scars. But it is very important to follow these following instructions to make sure that the effect of the platelet-rich plasma facial is giving its maximum benefit to your skin. On the day of the treatment, after the treatment, the nurse or the doctor will apply on your skin a bland emollient, an antibiotic cream, and a sunscreen before you leave the clinic. This is to protect your skin because your skin has been injured during the delivery of the platelet-rich plasma through a derma roller or a microneedling process, and then the PRP has been applied or injected into your skin. On the day of the treatment and the next one day, expect some redness and swelling post-treatment, which is normal and which will settle down. But if you have excessive swelling or pain, please speak to your dermatologist so they can address if there is any other concern which is happening because of the treatment. There will be some amount of dryness, scaling, rough feeling of the skin, a slight darkening of the skin for up to 1 week post the treatment. Again, this is very normal because the treatment itself is a microneedling process, it's an injuring process, and these processes do cause a certain amount of breakouts, a certain amount of dryness of the skin. You are allowed to use a gentle pH balance cleanser to apply for the full face morning and evening, and then top it up with a bland emollient or a moisturizer containing hyaluronic acid at least 2 to 3 times a day for 1 week post the procedure. Do not start your glycolic acid or retinol based cream for at least 72 hours. You avoid it. Remember that if you exercise or are exposed to high temperature, sweating may irritate the skin and delay the healing of the skin. So do avoid these exposures for at least 72 hours post treatment. Do not use your harsh cleansers, scrubs or bleach or any harsh makeup on the skin for at least 72 hours post treatment, after which you can start using these products on your skin. Delay facials, delays bleach application on the skin for at least 1 week post treatment. So, as to sum up what I said, on the first day post treatment, you are going to have some redness and swelling, that is normal. Use a gentle cleanser and use lots of moisturizer and sunblock if you are stepping out. From days 2 to 7, the skin will start healing. You might experience some dryness and scaling, but that is normal. If you feel undue amount of redness, undue amount of swelling, if there is associated fever or pain, please speak to your dermatologist or physician who can help you to address what is the concern which is happening with the giving of oral antibiotics and oral painkillers. Do not take them without their advice. This is a simple and very satisfying procedure and gives very good results. So make sure that you are following all these treatments. Remember that you are supposed to eat your healthy diet in order to give you a very good result. Avoid alcohol, avoid smoking as they delay skin healing and may affect the final result. If you have more concerns about the PRP facials, speak to your dermatologist today.